Welcome to this comprehensive guide on incident management objectives. In this video, we'll explore the core goals, key metrics, and measurable outcomes that define effective incident management. Whether you're new to IT service management or looking to strengthen your incident response processes, this overview will help you understand what successful incident management looks like. Incident management is the process of restoring normal IT services as quickly as possible after they've been disrupted. An incident is any unplanned interruption or reduction in quality of your IT services. The primary goal is to minimize the negative impact on your business and get systems back to normal operations fast. This includes everything from a single user unable to access their email to a complete system outage affecting thousands of users. The main objectives of incident management are threefold. First, restore normal service operation as quickly as possible to minimize business impact. Second, maintain accurate incident data and ensure secure handling of sensitive information throughout the process. And third, establish effective communication with all stakeholders so everyone knows what's happening and what to expect. These three pillars work together to create a robust incident management framework. Rapid service restoration is the cornerstone of incident management. When a service fails, every minute of downtime costs your business money and damages customer trust. The goal is to return services to normal operation as quickly as possible, even if it's just a temporary fix. Once the service is restored, you can then work on implementing a permanent solution. Speed matters because reducing downtime directly reduces business impact. Throughout the incident management process, you need to capture accurate and complete data about every incident. This includes what happened when it happened, how it was resolved, and how long it took. This data is crucial for identifying patterns and improving processes. At the same time, you must protect sensitive information and maintain security throughout the entire incident lifecycle. Only authorized personnel should access confidential incident details. Clear and timely communication with stakeholders is essential during any incident. Stakeholders include end users, management, customers, and IT team members. Everyone needs to know what's happening, why it's happening, and when normal service will be restored. Regular updates reduce panic and confusion, even if the news isn't perfect. Communication should be honest, frequent, and appropriate to the audience. To measure incident management effectiveness, organizations track several important metrics. Mean time to recover, or MTTR, measures how long it takes to restore a service after an incident occurs. Mean time to detect measures how quickly you identify an incident. Mean time to respond measures how fast your team begins working on the problem. Resolution time by priority ensures critical issues get fixed faster than less urgent ones. First contact resolution measures how often issues are fixed on the first attempt without escalation. Customer satisfaction index tracks how satisfied users are with the incident resolution process. Let's recap the core incident management objectives. Restore service quickly with minimal business impact through rapid response and effective problem solving. Maintain accurate incident data and secure handling to build a knowledge base and protect information. Establish effective communication to stakeholders so everyone understands status and expectations. These objectives form the foundation of a healthy incident management program that protects your business operations and supports your users. Here's a summary of what we've covered. The core objectives are to restore service quickly, maintain accurate data with security, and communicate effectively with all stakeholders. The key metrics to watch include MTTR, resolution time by priority, first contact resolution rates, and customer satisfaction index alignment. Regular reviews and trend improvements through your customer satisfaction index ensure continuous improvement. Escalation rules and governance keep the process organized and effective. In conclusion, effective incident management is about balancing speed with accuracy, communication with action. Faster restoration of services reduces business impact and keeps your organization running smoothly. Accurate data and proper documentation build institutional knowledge that prevents future incidents. Clear communications keep everyone informed and maintain trust during critical situations. Monitor your key metrics regularly, update your knowledge base continuously, and refine your escalation rules as your organization grows. These practices will help you build a resilient incident management process.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.